Looking to build a gaming PC on a super tight budget? Today we're diving into a $400 build that delivers solid performance without draining your wallet. Stick around to the end because every dollar counts, and I'll show you where it really makes a difference. Let's start with what's powering your graphics. And yes, we're keeping it real with the GT710. Now this card isn't made for modern AAA blockbusters, but for light gaming, retro titles, or games like CSGO or League of Legends on low settings, it gets the job done. One of its strengths? It sips power and runs nearly silent thanks to its passive cooling system. So if you're building something ultra budget or just need something to get your display going, this works. Compared to a GT 1030 or even a used 1050 Ti, it's slower no doubt, but it's significantly cheaper and often available brand new, which makes it a fair choice in a build where every dollar counts. Make sure to check out the product links in the description, we found the best deals for you down there. Now let's talk about brains. The Intel Core i5-14400F is the absolute powerhouse in this build. Even though our graphics card is more on the entry-level side, this CPU gives us a rock-solid foundation for multitasking, faster load times, and smooth gameplay in CPU-intensive titles. Its hybrid architecture means you're getting the best of both worlds: fast performance cores for gaming and efficiency cores for background tasks. And it's a future-proof pick. You can easily swap in a stronger GPU down the line without ever touching the CPU. If you're enjoying this breakdown, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more budget builds like this. And don't forget to drop a like if this helps you out. To tie it all together, we've got a simple and reliable motherboard. The MSI H610ME may not have the bells and whistles of higher-end boards, but it's fully compatible with our i5 processor and gets the job done without any hassle. It's compact, supports all our core components, and is a perfect match for budget-conscious builders. We're going with 16 gigs of DDR4 memory, and here's why that's the sweet spot. It's enough to handle modern games, keep your multitasking smooth, and avoid any annoying stutters. And since we're using 2 sticks, you're getting that boost from dual-channel performance too. Your storage needs are covered with the Patriot P210. It's a simple, reliable SATA SSD that will get your system booted fast and games loaded in seconds. Sure, 256 gigs isn't massive, but it's a solid start for Windows and a couple of your favorite games. Cooling-wise, the Xilence i402 steps in as a budget-friendly upgrade over basic stock fans. It helps your CPU run cooler and quieter, especially during long gaming sessions or high-load tasks. It's a nice touch if you're aiming for better thermal control without spending extra cash. The power supply is often overlooked, but it's critical. The CX650 from CORSAIR delivers way more power than we need right now, and that's a good thing. It means room to grow. Thinking about upgrading your GPU later? This PSU has you covered. Wrapping things up is our case, the Versa H21. It's a no-fuss ATX mid-tower that gives you enough room to work, decent airflow, and a clean look. It supports our micro ATX board perfectly and has just enough cable management to keep things tidy. So there you have it, a complete entry-level gaming PC for around $400 in September 2025. It's a build designed for flexibility, light gaming, and future upgrades. Make sure to check out the product links in the description to get the best deals on each part. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more budget builds coming your way.